1,000.
Lot 136 is the 1930 Duesenberg Model J Sweep-Panel Dual-Cowl Phaeton. The grandest car of its time, so expensive, powerful, and really unattainable that most Americans could only ever dream of it or even see one. In fact, they only ever made 18 to this design, but this was the only one on the long wheelbase chassis. As you'd expect from a car of such importance, it has 70 years of known history that includes some of the most illustrious names in the hobby. It is a Category 1 certified car from the ACD Club, the 1930 Duesenberg Model J Sweep-Panel Dual-Cowl Phaeton.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. What should we say here? Where do you want to open the bidding? Let's open the bidding at $500,000, shall we? $500,000 to start. Thank you, sir. $500,000 I have. Do I have $600,000 now anywhere in the room? Would you bid me $600,000? Thank you, 600 I've taken. I've taken 600,000 already. Do I have 700,000 from you, Jonathan? I've taken $700,000. Would you bid me 800,000? Thank you. $800,000 now. 900 I have taken. You bidder. Seated in the middle of the room on my left at $900,000 now. So I have $950,000. Do I have $1 million? At $951 million I have taken here at $1 million now. Do I have $1,050,000? $1,050,000 I have. Do I have $1,100,000 now? We're at $1,050,000 on my left. Do I have $1,100,000 on my right? At $1,050,000 then, do I have 1.1? At $1,050,000, the bid's here on my left, and I shall sell the car at $1,050,000 if I have no better bid. The bid's with Jonathan at just $1,050,000. Do I have $1.1 million? Are you sure? Well, at $1,050,000, I'm going to count it down. It's Jonathan's bid, and he's buying the car. It's going for the first time at just $1,050,000. I highly recommend one more bid. At $1,050,000, it's going for the second time. Are you sure you're all done? Positive. Well, I would buy it if I was you at $1,050,000 for the third and last time. Sold your car. Well done. Congratulations. 4006. $1,050,000.